Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Sebastian, who is 6.5 years old. He is my co-instructor, and he has spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy. And we're working on rolling, and he is very excited because he already knows the game. I've got wedges here to make it easier for him to roll. So from his back to his side is a hard roll for him. So I've got him on a wedge on his side, and I'm going to say, Sebastian, don't you roll over here to me. Wait, what are you doing? Get back over here. What are you doing? Do not roll over here. Do you hear me? Do not. Sebastian, what are you doing? What are you doing? And it tends to be that if I start off on the wedge, then I can go down to the floor, and then he can do it level on level ground. But I have to start on the wedge for him to be able to do it. I hope this is an idea you can use at home. I have had lots of children with cerebral palsy learn to roll this way. It's a really effective technique to let them get the feel of rolling and then making it progressively harder. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time.